everybody, this is Chuck Blount coming to you from the San Antonio Express News Taste section. I want to talk about cleaning your grill grates today. Very important step before you do any cook. If you got a dirty grill, particles from other foods might attach to your other fruits and vegetables you're going to start. It's something you don't want, and it also keeps rust from building up. And we want to keep clean grill grates. There's certain tools that we're used to using. First and foremost is the wire brush. It's got the wire bristles and the scraper. Everybody probably has one in their grill arsenal. They range from about $25 to all the way to $1. I actually got this at the Dollar Tree. Pumice stones are another key one. They scrape away the gristle and on the crud off your grill grates. Fairly cheap option, but they wear it out quickly. You want the really super cheap hack? Aluminum foil. Rip off some, form it in a ball, scrape your grill grates, cleans them up. Very good job. Great in a tight situation. But there's a new product on the shelves, and this blows the door off of anything that you could imagine on cleaning your grill grates. And it's this. It's the Grillbot. A computer built like a tank that you put in your grill, clean the bristles. The bristles will clean your grates, and you don't have to do anything. You put it in your grill, walk off, 10, 20, 30 minutes, you're gone. Now it does come with a decent price point. It ranges online from $75 all the way up to about $120, depending on what you're looking for. So obviously it's not super cheap, but just look at this thing. I mean, who would have thought 20 years ago that something like this would come into your grill? Here's what you do. I have two different grill grates here. I've got a traditional standard wire grill grate and this cast iron grill grate. What I'm gonna do is put this in here, set it for 30 minutes, and in 3 seconds it's gonna start. And we put the top on, and in 30 minutes we're gonna check out and see what the quality of this cleaning job did. Okay, after 30 minutes, we have used the Grillbot on both of our grilling surfaces. We've got the traditional grill grate here, and as you can see, it's got it picked up all the dust from the grate, and that is way clean enough to cook. And on the cast iron, now this is interesting. It almost did too good of a job taking off some of the black seasoning that we had on the cast iron, so it might not work too well with one of those. But overall, there's no doubt that the Grillbot did its job, and I didn't have to lift a finger. It is expensive, and you probably don't need it, but boy, you know, it's really cool, and it will make your life easier. Overall, I gotta say it's a great product, and if you got a little extra cash laying around and are real serious about making life easier, go for it.